In this short tutorial video, let me show you how to log in to your Roadrunner account. Roadrunner is now known as Spectrum as it was bought by a different company and it was rebranded. So to log into this account, you just need to search for webmail.spectrum.net on the search bar of your web browser. Once you search for this, it's going to take you to the sign in page. Now firstly, you'll need to type in your email address that you used while signing up. And in the second box, you'll need to type in your email password, which means the password that you created while you signed up as well. If you happen to forgot your email or your password of your account, you can click on these links which say forgot email or forgot email password, and then you can just follow the steps to successfully recover both of them. Once you fill in both of these information, you just need to click on I'm not a robot and then click on sign in. And if the details that you entered are correct, you will be successfully logged in to your Spectrum or Roadrunner account. So that's going to be all for today's video. I hope this video was useful. If it was, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe to our channel for more daily tutorials similar to this.